Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is BERN and welcome back sa aking YouTube vlog na BERN to be you. And for today's episode, another additional learning at investment strategy ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa Stocks on the Spot. Featured natin ngayon ang ACEPH. Pero bago yan, roll intro para fun. So yun nga guys, we're going to talk about the Ayala Corp Energy Philippines. So ACEPH ang kanyang stock code. At kung hindi ka familiar dito, this is the renewable energy ng Ayala. So they're focused on the solar and energy development, in particular sa mga renewable. Ayan, bubulot na naman ako. Renewable energy. And you know, for those who don't know me yet, I'm an electrical engineer and I'm a practicing OFW, and I'm also a registered financial planner and stock investor and investment advocate. I'm a financial advocate as well. Okay! Kung bakit ko sinasabi to? Because I am one of the advocates also as an electrical engineer. My focus, I like all those stocks focusing on renewable energy. Kasi bakit? This is the latest. Dito na papunta yung technology natin. All those resources is pero itong mga natural and renewable energy will be the next generation source of our energy. So, etong Ayala Corp Energy PH o ACEPH, I focus on this one. And I like the way that is focusing and developing. So, marami na rin silang mga project outside and in of the country focusing on that one. Pero mas focus sila sa solar energy. So, for me, why it's good if you're an investor, why you will invest on this company? Una, solar energy is the cheapest alternative energy. What? And with this market capital na 19 billion, parang fair na rin. And still at the current price, it is cheap. So, let's check about the capital or the fundamental of it. Their current capital, market capital of this stocks is about 19 billion. So with this 19 billion, I think it is fair and it's cheap. Pero if you're going to look, tingnan natin yung mga numbers. The PE ratio is PE ratio is 95.12. So it's quite expensive, and the reason behind it is expensive kasi yung expenditure niya. Ngayon nagde-develop, gumagawa pa lang sila ng mga project. Wala pang masyadong return itong mga company nito. And for that, it will be expecting maybe a years bago mabawi yung mga capital expenditure nila. Then the EPS is 0.0268 or ganun lang kaliit yung kinikita nila. Earning per share is 0.0268. With the market capital, as I mentioned earlier, it is 19 billion. So at the current price of 2.55, I think for me it's still fair. Pero one thing it is attractive for now, it's the breakout. What? Last trading day, July 30. So, I've been watching this stock since 3 months because when I noticed this one, something is so impressive with this capital. So, but that's the number. Let's check paano siya nag-breakout. If it is legit ba or masyadong parabolic ang breakout niya. It's the volume up, considered okay or no. So yan, tingnan natin sa technical analysis. Ayala Corp Energy PH, and we're going to see here, obviously we have a breakout, and if you will notice, ito yung support natin. So, ito yung support natin at 2.39. So nag-breakout siya dyan. So makikita naman natin dito,
a few inches later,
makikita naman natin yung volume, obviously, etong volume na to, ayan, we have a legit volume. So, and a breakout here. So, if you will notice, kung nagtatanong kayo kung posible pa ba, pwede pa bang humabol, for me, still yes. Kasi if you will notice here, etong ating monthly, hindi naman ganun hindi pa naman siya talaga nag-breakout. So, pwede pa natin siyang habulin. So, nagkaka-cross lang. And yung ating RSI, is about 70 level, pero hindi pa naman siya nagsasaturate. And so looking at the volume, kasi simula lang, hopefully this volume sustain and this price action sustain. Kasi if you will notice, going to zoom, and if you will notice, may mga dojiness, the price action, and even the moving average 50, no? Na-break above na siya, nag-bearish na siya dito, nag-crossover siya dito, moving average 9 over moving average 20, and ang moving average 100 natin is still in the bullish. So, wala pa rin talagang sell signal, but breakout. So, eto naman yung titignan mong support at this level. Eto yung strong support. Ayan, at 2.13. So, hopefully, mag-sustain siya. And the next price action na tinitignan natin dito, etong price na to. So, ito yung strong support niya sa 2.86. So, kapag ka nagtuloy-tuloy yan, hopefully that will our next support level, next resistance level, yung 286. As of now, wala pa naman. And pwede natin tignan kung sino-sino yung mga broker inside this one. Siguro para malaman din natin kung sino-sino yung mga broker, tignan natin. So, tingnan natin sino-sino ba yung mga nagbabay. Ayan. So, ito yung pwede natin tignan. So, if you will notice, call yung number 1 broker na bumibili. BPI, Star All. So, lahat yan, consistent buying. So, from July 3 hanggang ngayon. So, with the average na 2.4 at 2.47. So, still buying, although wala pa tayong nakikitang foreign account. So, still, may 37% nasa loob yung call. So, it's a local play, not yet done. So, let's wait until bukas, Monday, kung ano yung pwede pa niyang mangyari. But for me, yeah, it's a legit breakout. RSI. Ito yung RSI natin within this level. So, yan. So, ating RSI is okay pa naman. So, yung buy signal. Imagine guys, kung nakapasok ka nung, as I mentioned earlier, 3 months ko na siyang tinitignan around this level. So, yan. So, imagine kung nasabayan mo yan within that level, meron ka ng 80% gain. So, that's what kung nakasabay ka. Kasi from this level, you will notice may price action. Nag-crossover yung MACD mo dito. Ayan. Nag-crossover na yung MACD mo dyan by signal. Plus, yung RSI, sagad na siya dito. So, ayan. So, ayan lang naman. So far, let's wait until kung hanggang saan naabot tong ACEPH na to. If this will be continuously goes up, ang play niya dito, guys, ayan lang, according ko lang. Nag-sideways siya dito. Nag-uptrend siya dito. Tapos, nag-sideways siya dito. Eto, sideways siya dito. Diba? And then, boom, breakout siya dito. So, yan yung naging play ng ACEPH. But, kung hahabol ka, I think it's not yet late. Pero, again, trade that on your risk. With your risk, the volume hopefully sustain. Kasi medyo parang parabolic din yung angat niya. So, ayan. So, I hope this video helped you. So, kapag ka na-break niya itong 2.86, I think that will be, if i-attempt niya ulit yung 52-week high niya, which is, ano yung 52-week high niya na ulit.
A few inches later.
So, ang ating 52-week high,
A few moments later.
asan yun?
A few moments later.
Ang 52-week high niya is 3.03, which I think nandito. Ito. So, ito yung 36 point high niya. 36.3.6 na ito at this level. So, kapag na-break niya tong 2.86, ang next na level na titignan niya, baka ma-hit niya yung 52 weeks high. And hopefully, if you will notice, yung volume niya, 51 million. No? So, legit naman yung breakout niya. Ang tanong lang, it will be sustainable ba? So, let's see kung magsusustain. And finally, ito lang masasabi ko, matagal na to, finally napansin lang siya ng mga investor last Thursday kasi mag-holiday ng Friday. So, I hope this continues to grow, and still, for me, Ayala is Ayala pa din yan, and they are now focusing on the renewable energy. So, I think it will focus on this one, and meron na rin silang mga investment about renewable energy outside the Philippines. Last time I heard is from Australia, nag-merge sila, meron din yata sa India. So, I hope it will continue. And kung hahabol ka, be cautious lang kasi masyadong mabilis tong galaw na to. So, yun lang guys. I hope you enjoy this video. And, yan. So, kung may additional info ka, comment ka lang and comment ka sa description box, sa comment section para malaman natin. At kung may mga request ka pa, so, yun. Let's see. So that's it guys. I hope you learned from this video. At kung natuto ka, please, I encourage you to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong video na ina-upload. At kung may mga katanungan ka, comment ka, additional information, welcome na welcome yan dito. Comment mo lang sa baba para pag-usapan natin at for sure mababasa ko yung comment mo. So once again guys, this is BERN nagsasabing bawat Pilipino may kakayahang umasenso. So God bless you all guys. Until next video.